Setting up a xanthan gum manufacturing plant. Requirements for plant and machinery. Establishing a xanthan gum manufacturing facility involves several key steps to the plant, together with the corresponding machinery. Fermentation equipment. This entails bioreactors or fermenters, which are vessels where fermentation occurs via Xanthomonas campestris bacteria, producing xanthan gum. Fermentation is a significant aspect of xanthan gum production. Separation and purification systems. Once fermentation is complete, the xanthan gum must be separated from the bacterial cells and other impurities. This typically involves following fermentation, centrifugation and filtration systems. Drying equipment. After purification, the xanthan gum will then be dried to produce a powder. Spray and vacuuming dryers are commonly used for drying. Milling and packaging machines. The dried xanthan gum will be milled into a powdered form and then packaged. Milled machines are required for unit operations, and investing in automated packaging will assist in uniformity and quality of the product. Quality control and monitoring system. Quality control of xanthan gum production will involve various testing parameters such as viscosity, pH, etc. There will need to be laboratory quality control equipment to maintain standards and precise systems. Have any questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.